Also, we have a train here in Holland. I am with Papa this time, and we have a twofer, folks. These lights are usually off. I'll just have to be stuck on this side. Oh no, folks! What? I'm gonna be on the sidewalk. Oh no, folks! These lights are never on. We got ourselves a twofer, folks. He's coming. This crossing has no bills, unfortunately. They're coming. This light was off. And yes, it is raining a little bit. I'm not gonna make it to the other side, Papa, because he's only right there.
All right, stay here.
One was about a mile and the other one was about 2 miles. Right, Papa? Oh no, folks! We came here just in time, Papa. This crossing is located on the NS Chicago line. Oh no, folks! He's coming. Oh no, folks! I thought he was close, but I guess not. Oh, there he is, oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! Folks! Oh no. Oh man, this one has free engines. And no, I'm not gonna sit a twofer one, I don't think.
No, it depends on how long it is.
Wait to him when he gets up here. outside. Oh, the lights just shut off, but it's gonna turn back on here in a second. So, okay, that's it. I'm gonna start a new video because of this other train. Okay, that's it.